Today we're gonna fix the rusty bumper on the Tahoe, and Ian's gonna help. Look how rusty that is. It's awful. The whole thing, it's like paper. Alright, so what we gotta do is we gotta take off these two 18mm bolts here and here, and then we gotta take this 21mm and the other one on the other side, and then it should come off. Ah! Ah! Holy crap. Those are in there, dude. Alright, so there's actually two more bolts, one 18 and one 15mm, right here. Here and in there. You can't really see it, but it's all actually. Yeah, that guy right there. Yay. Now the other side. Jesus Christ! What the hell? Well, that was interesting. I must have hit the switch and the hose came right off. I'm a professional. Oh, oh my god, it's off. Yes. Alright, I'm gonna show you guys just how rusty this bumper really was. This right here, the cross member, completely rotted right off. Both sides. From the back, rotted all the way through, right to the ground. This side doesn't even really exist anymore. I got the new bumper for 160 bucks, brand new. Well, I'm definitely glad I took the bumper off, because I just found out that my tow hitch is completely rotted through, and I've been towing the E30 with it. That big hole right in there. Oh my god, look at this. It looks like firewood. So yeah, we're gonna take a trip and we're gonna go find a new one of these things. Alright, Ian's finally here. We're gonna make a trip to go get a new tow hitch or tow frame or whatever. But yeah, look at that. That's pretty bad, and we were towing with that. So we're gonna make it all new, and we're gonna go get a new tow hitch frame.
Car, entire tow rig.
Let's go. Turn off this music. Alright, we're at R&R Wholesalers, bro. We're gonna go inside and find a trailer hitch.
It smells like shit here.
Yeah, it does. They have everything that you could ever need.
I don't believe that.
And you can back in your truck right into the wall and then leave a trailer hitch mark.
Did you do that?
No. All these tools. Tools here, tools there, tools everywhere.
That's crazy.
I know, they got everything. Look at these wrenches. This wrench is huge.
Yeah, rigs.
You could wire a whole house with this stuff.
Cheaper Harbor Freight though.
Yeah. But, I mean, they have stuff that Harbor Freight doesn't. They literally have a room for only shovels. This is a shovel room.
Steve, can we please get this for your place?
What is it?
It's a Sunoco race fuel, a brand new barrel.
What?
25 bucks for this thing.
No, it's not.
It says $25.
Is it empty?
Yeah.
Dude.
25 bucks.
That's so cool. Well, we wouldn't use it for anything, though. Yeah, look.
Can we please get this for your place?
What is it?
It's a Sunoco race fuel, a brand new barrel.
What?
25 bucks for this thing.
No, it's not.
It says $25.
Is it empty?
Yeah.
Dude.
25 bucks.
That's so cool.
All I want to do is like cut the top of this off and make like this like a dump container. Throw all your stuff in on our drift car trailer.
That actually would be really cool.
Think it is?
What?
Is this a coil spring? It is.
Yeah, it is. They got.
Yep.
That's so neat.
Wow.
They got literally everything. Look at all the trailer hitches.
Dude, toolboxes. Tell me they have like.
Ooh.
Are you kidding me? This is where all the old people get their suspenders.
It totally is. Look, flames. All right, so they didn't have the trailer hitch, but they had
literally fucking everything else.
They literally had everything on the planet. So we're gonna make another video of just R&R at some point and just go through every aisle.
I really think we owe it to you guys. They have these like mystery bags in there, and I think it would be dope to do like a unboxing video, because I know those are all the rage online. A $3 brown paper bag that are like, hey, stuff that we like couldn't otherwise sell. Take out our trash for us. I want to see what's in them, but the store just keeps going. There's no real good.
Why is it beeping?
Because it thinks there's something in front of me because this curb is so steep.
Oh, the car is beeping. I thought the GoPro was. I'm like,
no, it's my hyper intelligent car. Is just like, yo, brother.
Wow. All right, so now I gotta call U-Haul and see if they have a trailer hitch in stock. And if they don't, then we're gonna have to wait and get one off Amazon.
And I'm gonna sharpen up my throwing knife skills.
Yeah, we're gonna throw them at Andrew when we get back. It's gonna be sick.
He has no idea the fucking hellfire is gonna rain down upon him.
I love that I have a fucking stove in my driveway. Can I see him?
I do like this. This is a really nice throwing knife.
So how do I throw it?
All right, so there's two ways.
Oh, there we go. We got a stump in the yard.
You have the axe one. So you can either hold by the blade, which is good for like 5 feet, and this is for every 9 feet you're away. So
cool. Hold it. I want to try it. Dude, some real gang shit right here.
Gang, gang. That is how you throw a knife, not like that. Because you're throwing it wrong.
What? I throw it like this?
No, no, no. Hold it by the handle, not by the blade.
Oh, like this?
Yes, you hold it by the blade, half the distance. Hold it by that, full distance. So that's every 4.5 feet. This is every 9 feet. Okay. So get a little closer. Okay. Right there.
And throw it?
Yeah.
Whoa!
Yeah.
Yeah, that totally worked. I want to try the
Oh wow, that was all handle. There's no skill to this. Everything sticks.
Miracle Grow. That boy needs some milk. All right, we threw some knives today too. So I'm gonna put the new bumper on because that one's toast, and take off the old rusty trailer hitch, and then we'll put the new one on when I get in the mail. It'll probably be like a couple days or whatnot. But yeah, let's button it up. Ready?
And
last one, folks.
maybe.
Yeah.
No, when you put this hitch on, we'll just do it good and tight.
Yep. Whoa. That's fucking rusty, dude. You twist that, and the whole thing comes out.
On top of your hand.
On top of your hand. Well, it's in the rain, and you're on the side of the highway. Thing fucking drops on your head, so you're like bleeding out in the rain. Okay, don't touch it.
Oh my god, it's so rusted. Dude, it looks like a tree root under there.
It's really not that bad.
It's terrible.
It's really...
I guess the paint shop left a little body tape on it.
No, I did that whole side. Look.
Oh my god, Steve. $1,700 tow rigs are amazing.
Yep. But better than a car payment. All right, so we need to... Well, they're leaving to get undercoating because I'm going to fix all this messy crap. But yeah, actually the frame's pretty decent. I'm going to get all the surface rust off, and then I'm going to undercoat the whole thing. So I got my rust remover tools, a respirator, and me.
Penis inspection.
He's eating more fucking Walmart food. All right, so I'm gonna start rubber undercoating.
Fucking. Yeah.
You know why it's fucking.
You know why it's fucking.
Hashtag. You know why it's fucking.
How much you want to bet Steve's gonna fuck this up?
Oh, dude, he's fucked this up and he hasn't sprayed anything yet.
I like this stuff. I like it.
Just the fact that he has the biggest crotch rep is like really concerning me.
Hey, what in the hell you boys doing my outdoor stove? Making goddamn bonfire. This is my good stove. You guys are ruining it.
This wind is killing things.
What's wrong with you people? Whoa, whoa! Oh. All right, so it's all undercoated. I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like. Actually looks pretty good under here. So it takes a while to dry, but it definitely will stop any salt from getting at the metal. And I scraped most of what I could out.
Each other making their jobs like a lift. Yes. it, when you think of a nunchuck, it should be straight at all times. Instead of breaking it, it comes through like that. Coming out straight like this, hits the wall, it grazes the cat.
Alright guys, so the bumper's all on, everything's rubber coated, and it looks pretty good. I just need to get some plate mounting brackets or whatever the heck you call them. But yeah, that's the Tahoe bumper. Got a lot done today. It was pretty tough, especially with Ian around. But yeah, that's the end of the video, guys. Please like, subscribe, comment below, and thanks for watching, guys. I think that's how I end it. Or do you want to end it? Here, hold this. Hold this. End the video, Ian.
No.
End the video, Ian.
Don't make me, Steve.